Hi there, it's Driveway DIY here. Just going to do another video on headlight bulbs on a Peugeot 306, and it's probably similar on a lot of other Peugeots as well. I've done a video on this before, but this is a different one. Basically, I've got the actual headlight itself. My lad's had a bit of a bump in his car, needs a new headlight, but I thought while I've got the headlight out, I thought I'd show you how to change the bulbs on it in a bit more of a detailed way, because when the actual light's on the car, it's very difficult to get your cameras in, and sometimes there's that much bump in its way, it's difficult to actually show you how to do it. So just going to show you, got to it's the back of the headlight. You've got the indicator bulb here, that's usually quite hidden away. Directional, if you want to adjust your headlights, you've got that there. This is main headlight, main beam, and that's, I think that's main beam there as well. So there's different connections as well on there, which might be interesting in seeing how to undo the connections. So the first one I'm going to do is the actual indicator bulb, which is very simple. So basically what you do is get hold of it, just turn it round to the left, anti-clockwise, and there's the actual indicator bulb, and all you do is just push it in, take it out like that. Very simple. And then put the next one in. Obviously perhaps wear gloves as well, I think we have to replace this bulb. And then you've got the actual connection there as well, and on it you've got this locking mechanism that you just push in, push it in, and that should just come out. There you go. Just see how they just push that in and out. Obviously make sure all your connections are clean. It's quite crusty, this one is as well. Push that in, and then to actually replace it, push it like that and put it clockwise, and that goes straight in. So that's the indicator bulb. So what I'm going to do is show you the actual bulb itself, the actual main bulbs in there, headlight bulbs. So I'm going to get a close, just going to adjust the camera and get a closer look at it, and so you can have a real good show you how to take it out. Right, so you can see now right at the back of the headlight, basically to access the bulbs from this point, if you can try and think that this headlight would be in the car, but this is more accessible. So basically you get the backing case, turn it anti-clockwise, and there inside is the actual bulb itself. So the main actual connection goes into here, and then the wires, the loom actually goes into there and out this way. So to disconnect the headlight, you would have to take this bit off here. You point that, just move the camera so you can see. Just that bit there. So actually, looking in the headlight, so I can get a perfect view, is this bit here. So actually, to change the bulb, so you just pull off the socket, and then you can see just right there is the actual bit, that the actual I don't know, spring clip, guard, whatever you want to call it, holds it in. So you just unhook it and bring it out, and there's the actual bulb itself. So you just pull that out to replace it. Obviously don't touch the glass unless you're wearing gloves. Line up the tabs like that, make sure they fit in. Get the spring clip, that just goes in like that. Plug it in and get the connector and push that back in, and there you go, that goes in, and then just get your that just goes on like that. And that's pretty much it really. That's how to replace the bulb on our Peugeot 306. It's quite simple, but obviously when it's actually in the car, it's very difficult to get the camera in there. Like I say, all these connections here as well, they're actual to disconnect the headlight. Basically, just push that in, and that just comes off like that. See the tab? Just push that in, and that disconnects. And just to finish off the video as well, is one thing I didn't show you. Obviously you got the main bulb, and then you got the side light bulb down here as well. And all you do with that, to change that, is just pull it out towards you. And you got a bane up. Take that out, like that. Push the next one back in. They just pull out and push in, and that just goes in. That's that, and that just pushes in there as well. So that's pretty much it really. Hopefully this helps you, especially for you DIYs out there, need to change your own bulbs. Hopefully this helps you and gives you a better insight on how to change a bulb on a headlight unit. It's very similar for a lot of other ones as well. A lot of them have got these spring clips there. So yeah, hopefully this helps you. Thanks for watching. Give us a subscribe, thumbs up. Let me know what you think. Thank you.